In this video, we will learn about how to send dice on Monopoly Go to friends and is it possible? Well, actually, you cannot send a dice directly to any of your friends here in Monopoly Go. But don't worry, we have the best way on how to share or give a dice to your friend, or let's just say send a dice to your friend. Step one, you just have to launch your Monopoly Go application. Now, if you click any of the buttons here or any of the options here, you cannot see anything that says send dice to friend or send or share a dice to your friend, but it's okay. So as you can see, there's no option here, right? But anyways, we will find a way on how to share or give dice to your friend. Step two, what you're going to do is just simply click these three lines at the top right corner and then tap shop. Step three, all you have to do is to purchase any of the dice here and give it to your friend. How? You can use your friend's account or Monopoly Go account and purchase a dice from your own credit card, debit card, or any payment method you have, and then click buy. So that is the best way on how to purchase or share or give dice to your friends here in Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.